I have gospel songs, but I'm not sure if the harmony is correct.
That's why people use Gospel Sound Academy. See what in Gospel Sound Academy they do for gospel musicians.
Right, here we go with Nathaniel Bassey's song, ODARA. The song is written in key E flat or D sharp. And we have the treble part, we have the alto part, we have the tenor part, which you can extract for yourself. But for now, let me do just the treble. Solfa me, do te la solfa, re do te, la te do la do re mi sol me re do.